What you doing, Choco? I was copy the odd ones and get the easy ones.
Aaron.
So easy. Hey! What's up?
Do you really record?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
But how?
What the fuck, man?
Sean, over here. Look, it still says back.
Don't look at me like that. Hi. I'm Sean's friend.
Kitty porn, kitty
You know what, Sean? You want to see something very hairy?
Wait a second.
Are you really recording, Sean? Is
Yeah.
that yours?
Yeah, they bought it for him. He's a bitch.
this
He's
your
trying to
Christmas?
copy me.
Was that his Christmas?
Yeah.
You're a
Wow.
bitch, Sean.
Can you see me?
Are you guys leaving already?
Oh, no, Helen.
Sean,
Huh?
are you leaving?
I don't think so.
I'm not.
You're not?
But I'm just taking it.
Here's my school, which is going to be torn down eventually.
Shake that big old butt.
Just kidding. Skinny Linda.
You want a piece?
It's the cafeteria.
Get a sword.
Already.
The chapel. Little name.
Nice.
Hands.
Should I?
What? Call Liz?
I thought you were
Oh.
gonna go to someone's house. I thought you were gonna go
Huh?
to
I was
someone's
going to
house.
go tomorrow.
Huh?
Yeah, I was going to probably go today though. Actually, I can't too late today. You know, I'm going to go tomorrow with Alan.
Don't do it, Liz. Just don't do it.
Don't do it.